Welcome to the 8th grade Math Homework Helper Series. Tonight's homework is SE7. Solve each system of equations algebraically, then name the type of system. First, we'll start with question number 3. You have negative x plus 3y equals 3, and 2x minus 6y equals negative 6. So we'll start by taking a look at this negative x plus 3y equals 3, and since y is the easier of the two to change, the signs are already opposite, although they are opposite over here too. You know what, I guess it's probably 50-50 in terms of which one's easier, but I chose y. So in order to do that, we have to take the 3y and multiply it by 2 I should say, to get to 6. Now you could also, and it works out nicely in this case, you could have divided everything by 2 over here and achieved the same goal. So there's many ways to get to this, but I chose multiplying, and so I took the negative x plus 3y equals 3, multiplied it by 2, and got negative 2x plus 6y equals 6. I then took the other equation, added it to that, and you'll notice pretty quickly that the negative 2x and 2x cancel each other out. The negative 6y and the positive 6y cancel each other out. The negative 6 and the positive 6 cancel each other out, leaving you with 0 on either side of the equal sign. So that is a very good indicator of what kind of system we're working with, and that brings us to step number 2. For the system, whenever you have zeros on either side, on both sides, you have a dependent system. So that means that you have infinite solutions. Any solution that works for one equation will work for the other. And so remember, when graphing, a dependent system means that the two lines are basically sitting one on top of the other. So every point that's true for one line is true for the other. So when you see 0 equals 0 as your answer, that's the kind of system you're working with. Now let's take a look at question number 8. For question number 8, we have 2x minus y equals 4, and y equals 2x plus 4. Now, in this case, we're being told what y equals, and for solving it algebraically, we can substitute what y equals back into the original problem. So instead of 2x minus y equals 4, we can rewrite it as 2x minus, and then where the y would have been, we put in the 2x plus 4 equals 4. Now I put the 1 in red here because it's easy to forget that a 1 would actually be there. And what that means then is signs are going to change as you move through here. So that gives me 2x minus 2x minus 4 equals 4. Now if I try to combine like terms, I have a 2x and a minus 2x which cancel each other out. So that leaves me with negative 4 equals 4, which I had to put a slash through that because that's not true. So this is another kind of system where we don't have a solution. And if we don't have a solution, that brings us to an inconsistent system with no solution. Please use the problems that were done for you tonight to help you solve the additional problems that are on your homework. Remember, the key to success in math is not only working hard, but working smart.